Perfect example of a 0304 Cobra versus a 9901. First thing you'll see is the different front bumpers between the 9901 and the 0304s. It's my buddy Brian's 2001 Cobra convertible. My other buddy Joey's 04 Mr. Chrome Cobra. Both convertibles. The 0304 had Cobra specific side skirts, while the 99 and 01 had GTV6 parts. 01 had a really nice interior, which was the only year that had this interior, versus the 0304 seats. This is in Mr. Chrome. The wheels, the Chrome 0304s versus the Chrome 01s. The super expensive amber taillights. This 04 actually has them as well, but they didn't come with them. White face gauges versus the electroluminescent gauges of the 0304. Of course, the folding body colored mirrors versus the standard plastic ones. Two very beautiful low mileage cars. A lot of similarities, also a lot of differences. Thanks for watching. See ya.